You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Italian dish, Italian flatbread, originally from Romagna in the center north of Italy. The Italian pronunciation first, how to pronounce it correctly. Piadina. If you want to learn more from Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all here on the channel. Piadina, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, in English you can simply say it as piadina. Piadina from Italian, piadina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.